Welcome back to the Roots of Thought. In today's episode, we embark on a fascinating journey through time as we explore the evolution of democracy, from its origins in ancient Athens to the democratic systems we have today. So grab a seat, get comfortable, and let's dive into the rich history of democracy. Our story begins in ancient Athens, the birthplace of democracy. In the 5th century BCE, Athenians pioneered a revolutionary concept, the idea that the power to govern should reside in the hands of the people. In Athens, all eligible citizens had the right to participate directly in decision-making through the Athenian Assembly. This direct form of democracy allowed citizens to voice their opinions, propose laws, and vote on important matters. The Athenian Assembly set a crucial precedent for future democratic systems. It emphasized the importance of citizen engagement and the idea that political power should be shared among the people rather than concentrated in the hands of a few. However, it's important to note that the concept of citizenship was limited in ancient Athens. Women, slaves, and foreigners were excluded from the political process, revealing the shortcomings of early democracy. Although Athenian democracy had its limitations, the seeds of democratic thought were sown and began to spread across ancient Greece. Other city-states, such as Corinth and Thebes, experimented with various forms of democratic governance. As Athens's influence waned, another form of democracy emerged in ancient Rome. The Roman Republic introduced representative democracy, where elected officials represented the interests of the people. The Roman Republic established a system of checks and balances, with the Senate acting as the deliberative body responsible for making laws and decisions. This system provided stability and allowed for the representation of diverse viewpoints. The Roman Republic left a lasting legacy in the democratic world. Its emphasis on the rule of law, civic participation, and representative government laid the foundation for future democratic experiments. With the fall of the Roman Empire, democracy took a back seat during the Middle Ages. Feudalism dominated Europe, and power was concentrated in the hands of monarchs and feudal lords. However, in the 13th century, a significant document emerged that laid the groundwork for democratic principles. The Magna Carta, signed in 1215, limited the power of the monarch and established the idea of the rule of law. The Magna Carta marked a turning point in the struggle for individual liberties and the recognition of basic rights. It introduced the concept that even the king is subject to the law, establishing a precedent for the protection of individual freedoms. The Age of Enlightenment in the 18th century brought a renewed interest in democratic ideals. Thinkers like John Locke and Montesquieu challenged the divine right of kings and advocated for the rights of individuals and the separation of powers. The Enlightenment era ignited a flame of intellectual discourse and paved the way for significant advancements in democratic thought. Philosophers emphasized the importance of individual rights, equality before the law, and the consent of the governed. The ideas of the Enlightenment sparked two major revolutions that shaped modern democracy. The American Revolution, with its Declaration of Independence and Constitution, and the French Revolution, with its cry for liberty, equality, and fraternity, propelled democratic movements forward. Since those revolutionary times, democracy has continued to evolve and expand around the world. From constitutional monarchies to presidential systems, representative democracies have become the dominant form of governance in many nations. Throughout history, we've witnessed the rise of significant democratic movements that have challenged oppressive regimes and fought for political rights. From the suffragette movement advocating for women's suffrage to the civil rights movement striving for equality, these struggles have shaped the democratic landscape. However, democracy is not without its challenges. Questions arise about voter participation, the influence of money in politics, and the delicate balance between individual freedoms and collective decision-making. These debates remind us that democracy is an ongoing process that requires constant engagement and vigilance. As we conclude our exploration of the evolution of democracy, we must recognize that it is an ongoing journey. Democracy continues to evolve and adapt to the changing needs and aspirations of societies worldwide. By understanding its historical roots and ongoing challenges, we can actively participate in shaping the future of democratic governance. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the evolution of democracy. We hope it has provided you with a deeper understanding of the rich history and principles that underpin our democratic systems today. Remember to stay curious, keep questioning, and never stop exploring the roots of thought.